Hello friends, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a ninja star. To make this, you need a regular white sheet of paper. The difficulty of this model is easy, which means that you can effortlessly make this. When you make the ninja star, it can be used as a boomerang and a flicker. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make the ninja star. What you first want to do is you want to make it a square. To make it a square, you have to fold this edge to this edge, right? And also make sure that this point right here, it's very sharp, right? Very sharp, okay? And then make sure this edge is also lined up with this edge, right? When all that's happened, you push this diagonal line down. Right, make sure this is also lined up. You push it down. Right? After you push it down, crease it sharply. Right? Now after this, you flip it over and then you fold this edge over until you can see this. Right? So you fold it over until you can see this edge. Right? You can flip it over, right? You see, until you see this edge, right? Until it's lined up, and then you put it all the way around, right? Make sure it's still lined up, right? Until it reaches this point right here, right? And also make sure this edge lines up with this edge, right? When you got all of that, you want to unfold this, turn it over, and unfold this. Now, if you have scissors, you can cut this line, but if you don't have scissors, then watch me, look. So you fold this down, right, just to make it extra sharp. Then you tear it, right, a little tear on the fold. Then you put your two pointer fingers close and your thumbs like this, so it kind of makes a triangle. And then you put it like this, like a mountain, right? And then you pull it, right? And then you keep adjusting, right? You keep adjusting until it's ripped. Now we do not need this anymore, we just need the square. So you already folded this diagonal line. So you're gonna fold it the other way. Right, make sure this point's right there. And then make sure that this point right here, make sure that this is sharp. Right? Same thing for the other. Right? Perfect. Now you should have an X. Now, what you want to do is you fold this edge over to the center, like this. Now, what you want to do is do not fold it all the way. Only fold it until this fold right here, until here. Same thing for the other, until here. Right? Okay, after that you unfold it, and then you do it to the other three, right? 1, 2, 3, you do it to the other three. Alright, so you should have a square now. So now you want to fold all of the edges together, right? Also, fold on the diagonals, right? So you should have this shape. Now, if you're right-handed, you want to fold all of the wings together so it looks like this. If you're left-handed, you want to put it the opposite direction so it looks like this. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to do it like this, but if you're left-handed, do it the other way. Now, what you have to do is you fold it this way and you push down on your fingers, right? You push it down with your fingers, and then you do it on the other three wings. This right here, this is called a pinwheel, okay? A pinwheel. Now, after you finish this, you turn it over, right? Now, you want to fold this edge to the center, right? And this time, you want to fold it all of the way. Also, make sure that it goes in this pocket, right? And also, do not fold it on this, right? Do not fold it here, also it'll look ugly, right? Fold it, unfold, and do it on the other three. All right, now when you finish this, you fold all of the edges together, right? Now when you finish, push this diagonally and fold this down, right? You fold this down, and you do it on the other three, right? And you all do it simultaneously, right? And then you push it all down in the center. And also make sure that this edge aligns up with this edge, right? After you finish this, sharpen all of the folds, all the creases. Okay? Now, after you did all of the folds, you turn it over, okay? Now, what you want to do is you fold this edge over so that it reaches this point, right? This edge reaches this point, and it also reaches this point right here, right? So it reaches this point and this point. Now, turn it over and fold this over the edge. Fold it over, turn it over, excuse me, and then you fold both of these, not only this, both of these over this edge. See? Them both. When you finish that, you turn it over and you fold it over the edge. Now, what you want to do is you put your finger inside of here and you squish it, right? It's open. Now, you want to curl this flap so that it goes inside of the hole, right? Like that. Make sure it's really inside, and then crease it all very sharply. Okay? When you finish this, do this on all the other three wings. Okay, that's it. This is how you make it, right? But if you want it to fly good, then you push it down, right? And then you crease all of the folds. If you don't have fingernails, just press down like this. Just be careful and don't unfold them. Right. And there you go. This is how you make it. Have fun. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to throw the ninja star. I'm going to show you two things. First, I'm going to show you how to flick it. Then, I'm going to show you how to make it a boomerang. To first flick it, what you have to do is make sure that this side is face up. Make sure that this right here, it's pointing upwards. Then, you pinch over here, right? Your pointer fingers over here and your thumbs over here. And your other three fingers aren't really doing much, right? And then your pointer finger goes on this edge. Your other four fingers are just like this, like a pointer finger, right? Like, no. Then you hit the edge like this. When you hit the edge of the ninja star, you slowly loosen the grip here so it flies like this. Now, I'm going to show you how to use the ninja star as a flicker. You saw how fast that was? Oh my goodness. I'm going to do it again. Yo. Is this really made out of paper? That was great. Alright. But here's the boomerang part. What you want to do is make sure this side is still face up, right? And then what you want to do is pinch it on any of the four legs. You put your thumb here, your pointer finger on this edge, and your middle finger over here. Your other two fingers aren't doing anything, right? Then you put this on your wrist right here, and then you put it at kind of an angle. Then after that, you kind of curl, right? You curl it, and when you throw it, you do this, and you do it upwards. This is key to making a boomerang. Now, I'm going to show you how to use the Ninja Star as a boomerang. Right back. Oh. Do it again. What am I doing? Oh, there you go, right in the hand. I'm gonna do it one more time. Ooh. Alright, so now I don't think I need to tell you, but I'm gonna throw it as a regular Ninja Star, right? Like a frisbee. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. In the plant, do I need to say much? Oh my goodness. That was great. So that's all, friends. That's how you throw the Ninja Star at its fullest capabilities. Now, you can use the Ninja Star for many things. Just remember to be creative. That's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video and didn't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.